What's up guys, Steve Kaplan here, owner of Trident Adventures. I'm here with Doug with Magnum Helicopters. Go ahead and tell them who the heck you are.
I'm Chief Pilot with Magnum Helicopters. We work exclusively with Trident Adventures to bring you this Helocast operation. We're real excited to get started again.
Yeah, it's super awesome. We had to shut it down because of COVID, but we're back in operation again. I don't know if you can see, but everything is in pieces right now. That's because we got to go through all the maintenance, put the helicopter back together. So on June 1st is when we actually start this operation all over again. It's going to be freaking awesome. Oh yeah. So we're excited. Sign up either with Trident Adventures or with Magnum. It doesn't matter to us. Either way, you're going to end up at Trident Adventures, and we're going to jump out of the helicopters into the water, and that's how you start your dive or a snorkel. So again, June 1st, you get to hang out with us, and Doug's pretty freaking awesome. So I love it, man.
What's up you guys, I'm Dusty. I work here with Trident Adventures. I've been here for 2.5 years. I'm a dive master, recently assistant instructor. Just got through that, and I'm training to be a cast master. I'm getting trained by Steve, one of our Navy SEALs here. Yeah, he's just gonna go train me, and hopefully I'll be one of the people who throw you out of a helicopter one day.
All right guys, so check it out. Dusty here, who I've known for how long? How old are you?
4 years.
No, it's been longer than that. Yep. I met you when you were like 14. How old are you now? You're 19.
Oh, it's 5 years.
5 years.
5 years.
He's a baby. So I'm a retired Navy SEAL, and one of my responsibilities in the SEAL teams was as a Hearst cast master. So in other words, in charge of the people that jump out of helicopters, or tossing a boat out of a helicopter, or fast roping or rappelling. So I was the guy in charge of all of that. So what's super cool is we partnered with Magnum Helicopters, and we actually do this, the jumping out of helicopters, we actually do this with our guests. Super, super cool. So even with kids all the way up to, what's our oldest, 72?
72.
72 years old. One of the cool things is I get to train this guy right here, Dusty, 19 years old. I think you'll probably be the first cast master ever that's not with a military background. Yeah. A little background on Dusty. Dusty just got his assistant instructor rating with Patty. So in the world of professional diving, starts at dive master, it's the lowest level of professional diving. Then it goes to assistant instructor, and then it goes instructor. So I'm one of the instructors at my company, and Dusty's on his way at 19 years old to becoming an instructor as well. About to be a boat captain too, and now he's going to be a cast master, the first person ever in the history of the United States, probably the world. As far as we know, we're the only ones that do this legally in the United States of America. It's because we wrote the instruction for the FAA, so it's pretty safe to say we're the only ones that do it.